In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Facebook nickname. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up Facebook app and then go to menu. Then right here tap at that gear to get into settings, and then scroll down until you find profile details. Then scroll down again and search for other names. That's where you can easily find your current nickname, and all you have to do in order to change it is just tap at that pencil icon and then select edit name. On the next step you will be able to change your Facebook nickname. You can remove current one and then you can enter here whatever you want, and after that just hit add save. That's how you can easily change your Facebook nickname. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.